Hello everybody. Well, for me this is a very sad day. Last night Ozzy Osbourne, the Prince of Darkness, passed away, has now moved up to the next level, so I hope he's having fun. I'll miss him. I see him many times. Right, this is a $2 Canadian coin. They're called Toonies. And they are low mintage, special release. And this is an Ian coin. Thank you, Ian. How you doing, man? Good. I love this. Absolutely adore it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Right, so first of all, we have to knock the centre out. There's no punch on these ones, because this has a insert of brass or whatever it is. So I just need to knock that out, and for that I'll use this. There we go. So it should be a shortish video. I've heard that before. Right, let's give it a bit of a clean up inside. You just want to make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. You've got to be careful with these ones because the centre part was pressed in, so you've got to make sure there's nothing in there. Right, I think that's okay. There you go. It's pretty stunning, isn't it? I really like it. Right, let's give it a bit of love with Bernie. And see what happens. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. Very kind and thoughtful of you. I really do appreciate it. I really do. Right, so obviously I can't use the dapping block because it's I don't think I have a ball bearing that big, do I? Oh yes I do. Might be too big. What's going on? I'll give it a go. So that's not very special, is it? Okay, yeah, so it's a 2014 coin. I forgot about this part of the show. 2014. So what happened in 2014? Let me think back. Significant events included the outbreak of the Ebola virus in West Africa, the rise of ISIS in Iraq and Syria, and the annexation of Crimea by Russia. Additionally, there were major airline disasters involving Malaysian Airlines and ongoing conflicts in Gaza and Ukraine. Could be yesterday's news, couldn't it? Right, okay, so yeah, it's going to have to be, this is going to be sunny side up on the ring. So, let's see what happens. I don't know if this is going to do much. I'll go over to bottom end of spike. There's a bit there, but not much. Right, now we want one of these 17-degree folding die. What's that one like? Yeah, that ain't too bad. Got a bit of a clean. And it's my jollop. That's okay. I think maybe we'll start this side. And I'll flip it over to the other side. Lovely. Right, let's give it a go. What have we got? Oh yeah. I didn't have to go the other side. There you go. It's going to be obviously a narrow banded ring, but I think it'll look pretty damn sexy. It's a lovely coin. Thanks, Ian. There he is. Right, a bit of kitchen roll. Excuse me. And we'll flip over to the man himself. There he is. Spike is behaving himself today. This makes a change. This is a ring stretcher. He stretches your ring. Oh, this is so easy. I don't like it when it's so easy. I keep thinking it's breaking or splitting. But it doesn't look too bad. It's a bit thin there though. I'm going to keep going. So any of you out there, Ozzy Osbourne fans? Have you seen him? Yeah, it's a sad day, man. The trouble is with these bands from my era, they're dying off, and there's not many new bands coming in, you know, like rock and roll, which is really sad. It's all this rubbish music now, you know, hip hop and crap like that. How's it looking? We go a bit further. Let's go all the way, shall we? Let's go crazy. It's just cone shape now, which is what we want. So we'll nip down to the bottom end of spike, and I think, oh, it's a bit. It's a little bit too much sticking up for my liking. What we got here? That's not too bad. We'll change this one over. If I can get my, if I can get it out. There's about 2 mil sticking up, but I'll tell you what, that ain't too bad. Always a straight. I'm happy with that, if you are. So, is there a lip in it? Yeah, there is. See that lip? You want to get that out. Get it out. No market today, it's much too hot. Plus 28, 29. Tomorrow's definitely 29 plus. There's no ship, so I mean, who the hell walks around a bloody market in that sort of heat? Right. Now that's okay. That's pretty good. Nice straight walls. Right, let's break out. Dave the Dremel. Kate's already installed. Looking a bit sad, but there you go. You can't look gorgeous every day, can you? Except me, I can, obviously, but... Right, that's enough of that. So, I'm going to stick in Felton John. It looks like he's still standing just about. And some polish. And we'll give it a go. I love the messy part. It's my favourite part. Right, what we got? Ouch. Like really ouch. Ouch, that is really hot. So, yeah, thanks to my latest subscribers. If you ain't subscribed, how about hitting the button for me? Bottom right hand corner of this video, there's a little red button. If you hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. It's free. It's no obligation. I won't bother you. And how about hitting it for Aussie? Come on, show me some love. Still blowing up rock just down the road from me where they're building a tunnel. Right, what have we got? What do we got? We've got something gorgeous, I hope. I do custom work. All the videos I make, all the rings are in my shop, yourfingermyring.com. If you're looking for a custom ring, no problem, how do you make you one? I also film the whole process like this and put it on YouTube for you. So you've got something as a keepsake, or if you're making a, you know, if you want a ring made for one of your family or a friend of yours. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. Quite a big ring. I just got out of the shower, I forgot to put my rings on. I try to have a shower once a month. That's the way I tell them. Right, what we got? That came out really nice. That's the date. That's why I use the kitchen roll on the inside. You don't lose the detail. If I didn't use the kitchen roll, you'd lose most of the detail. There you go. What size we got? This is quite big. I'd say at least a, I don't know, 13 maybe? Oh, bloody hell. 13, 14, nearly 14 and a quarter. That fits this finger perfectly. So thanks thanks for your support. And yeah, sad day. I tell you what, when you're leaving your apartment or your house, tap your pocket and make sure you got your keys with you. Otherwise you ain't going to get back in, are you? It's happened to me a couple of times, so. Okay, okie dokie. Take it easy. See you in the next one. So bye bye.